How to lock Netflix profile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock Netflix profile. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open Netflix application and sign into your account. Then you gotta click on My Netflix at the bottom right corner and then click on your profile at the top left corner. You'll be able to see a button that says Manage Profiles. So simply click on that button and you'll be able to see a pencil icon right next to all of the profiles. So simply tap on the pencil icon right next to the profile that you wish to lock. And then you're going to scroll down and you'll be able to see a button that says Profile Lock. Add a 4-digit PIN to this profile. And here you'll be able to see a button that says Create a Profile Lock. Here you're going to type down the password of your Netflix account. After that, it's going to ask you for the 4-digit PIN that you wish to lock your profile with. After typing that down, you'll be able to see the profile lock has been now activated. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.